or day 16 of Advent of Tess, aka my birthday tessellation, we have a mostly flagstone start. It's not going to end up continuing as a flagstone because there's no extra layer to pull out right there. But you can get this very flagstone looking effect with these triangle gaps. Or you can do some crazy stuff with more hexagon positions, either stretched like these are or condensed down to regular open hexagons. And you can also find a couple lookalikes in the hybrid hexagon realm. So here I have the extra flaps of these hexagons tucked under the central hexagon. And that's going to be true for this other variation as well. It's just wild what you can do with different twists on paper.